Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use the Indeed Flex app. First, download the Indeed Flex app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your phone. When the app opens, it will first ask you where you want to work. You will see options like the United States, the United Kingdom, or other countries where the app is available. Select the country you want to work in and then tap Continue. Next, the app will ask you to choose your state. Select your state from the list and move forward. After that, you need to enter your email address. Type your email carefully and tap Continue. Then the app will ask for your phone number. Enter your phone number and continue. Now, the app will ask for your exact location. This part uses Google Maps. You can type your address or move the map and drop the pin where you live. Make sure the location is correct, then confirm it. After setting your location, the app will ask you a few questions. The first question is about what time you want to work. You can choose options like early morning shifts, daytime shifts, evening shifts, or night shifts. Select what fits your schedule. Next, it will ask about your profession or the type of job you want to do. Choose the role you are interested in. Once you answer all the questions, you will reach the main dashboard. This is the home page of the app. Here, you can browse available jobs if there are any. You will also see the My Jobs section, where you can check the jobs you are currently working on or have accepted. There is a Browse section where you can look for other job opportunities. In the Pay section, you can see your earnings and cash out your money. You can also edit your profile to improve your chances of getting more job offers. Thanks for watching.